days than you, and I actually work out. Okay. Girl, be quiet. Have you looked in the mirror once in a while? Exactly. What you see in the mirror is a disappointment.
No, it's not. I actually see.
Girl, be quiet. You're literally 10. Like, it's just yapping. You have a degree in yapping?
What?
You have a degree in yapping.
What?
Okay, being black is your entire personality.
Oh, so I have
In your mouth and your greasy fried chicken.
Dude.
I can't hear the girl.
Girl, just be quiet. Like, your name is Star, 5-star. You're a 1-star. What do you We know your entire personality is just yapping and being black.
Oh.
Just be quiet, girl. You're that one dude from White Chicks, but you're a girl. I don't even know if you're a girl. Your voice is so deep. Holy, I can't tell if you're a boy or a girl. Girl, you're literally just mocking me. Is that your best comeback? Girl, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Like, I don't care what you have to fucking say. Neither does anyone. I'm surprised you can even talk without being under house arrest.
Oh.
Like, what? Girl, why is your voice like that? Like, why is it so high? I could literally fly up to heaven and your voice would still be high. Girl, be quiet. You're not going to be like, first of all. No, there's no first of all. That's where you're plan C. That's why you're not plan A. You're born from a broken car.
This is gonna say that. This is gonna say that.
Girl, get your braids done. Get your braids done. Like, go eat some foo-foo. Just like foo-foo or whatever. Guys. What do you guys eat down there? Girl, if you're thirsting, I'm surprised you even have water in your house.
Ooh.
If you even have a house. Do you live in a straw tent? Do you need to make some more warm, fluffy clothes for me with that cotton? Go back to that field trip. Bring your sister along too, bitch. Bro, I bet you just yap and it doesn't make any fucking sense.
What are you talking about?
Bro, what are you talking about? Girl, you're gonna act so calm, but we know you're just not that calm. Girl, why are you still talking to me? Like, just walk away, walk, do whatever you want. One photo of you could take up my entire storage on my phone.
Damn.
Like, if someone were to think of you, their neck would snap.
Ooh.
You're Gorlock from Team for yourself.
I got banned.
Of course.
You got banned again?
I mean, it's kind of obvious. So rigged.
Right?
No, I'm enjoying this entertainment right now. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, you ate them up.
No, because why did they actually go silent when I said stop talking? They know I'll put that right
They
there.
got so mad from you just yap.
Exactly.
Right? But they can yap even more if they tried. They would literally be like, oh, she got her VC suspended, loser.
I reported her before I
You reported her? No wonder.
yeah.